Very nice. And then just on the rooftop here we have a swimming pool. Look at that. Let's look at that. Wow. It's so beautiful. Super busy. Of an evening time, all of these tables and chairs will be chalkboard menu. So having some kind of beach party or something. Dinner. No customers at the moment, but very busy. Very popular with Indonesian this. Never seems to get very popular. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 10 AM. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the Duyung Beach sign to the Semarang Beach sign. So there's only going to be one actual accommodation option along this walk that's going to be featured in today's video, which is going to be the Intercontinental Resort. However, there is 3 more additional resort facilities just on from where I'm going to finish today's video at the Semarang Beach sign. Those are the Puri Sanchen, the Prama and the Mercure Resort. So also in this video is going to be a nice collection of restaurants on the beachfront here. There's going to be 3 of which are close to the Duyung Beach sign, most notably probably La Playa, one that many of you that visit Sanur regularly may be familiar with. And then as I'm walking along the track and get up to the Intercontinental, have the very popular Pier 8. Continuing on from Pier 8, extremely popular restaurant called Tapa. Have featured that one in a video. I shall add the link in the description for you. And then carrying on from Tapa, around the corner we're going to have the Nest Beachside Spa, one of the premier spas here in Sanur. Then we're going to have Naked Baked and also Avocado Lovers and Stuja Di Pantai. Again, Stuja Di Pantai, another place that I've eaten at personally, very good restaurant that. I shall add the link in the description if any of you want to check that place out. I'm just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from this area here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here in Sanur. Okay, this is going to be the start point for today's video, the Pantai Duyung, otherwise known as Duyung Beach sign here. So just on the corner here we have Jester's Gelato ice cream counter there. Grab and go single scoop 35k. Oh, this is new here. Lunch and healthy drink. Very delicious. Avocado toast. Hello, how are you? Nice little seating area at the front here. This is new since the last walk that I come here. A little seating area at the front. Smoothie bowls. Next we have on the rock. It's all changing, all the places here. Got a few tourists here in this area. So this used to be Limo Beach Cafe, it's now Limo Rock, 679k. The staff here, how are you, brother? Good. Some tourists sitting here. Next we have seagrass by the beach here. Not so busy at this one. Seating area at the front here. And a seating area inside as well. I'll just show you some of the things available here. And some of the things on the chalkboard menu. Croissants and pastries are here. Dirty Choco, what a name that is. And then next we have La Playa Cafe. Oh, we have something going on the beach here. Let's just go down and take a walk and see what's happening. Oh, someone's got a drone up in the sky there. Big group of Indonesian here. So they're having some kind of beach party or something. So just up from the Indonesian there, we do have Soraya Water Sports in the back here. They've got a new office now. All the jet ski rental and things like that. So here's La Playa Cafe. This little seating area here at La Playa, a newly built platform area. Some seating inside as well. customers inside there. Right at the front here. Okay, back at our Pantai Duyung Beach sign. We're going to head in this direction now. Okay, so just up from the Duyung Beach sign now. Next on the right here we have a place called Pier 8. This is the Intercontinental resort area as well. Pier 8 has a beautiful seating area outside here. Nice built platform here. There's the beach location outside the Intercontinental. Pier 8. Show you some of what's on the menu here. Savour the best of Sunur Bay. Dinner. So there's the Intercontinental. This is the Pier 8. Pier 8 Sunur. Seating at the front. Oh, beautiful seating area inside also. No customers at the moment, but very beautiful. Okay, so just coming out of Pier 8 now. This is the Intercontinental just next door here. Nobody here at the moment. Nice seating areas. We have the Iraq here. Just missed this. 145k a glass for the Iraq there. Beautiful seating areas here along the front. Some chairs here, presume these are for the Intercontinental. The Pier 8 happy hours here. Entertainment also. So there's the Intercontinental swimming pool. Intercontinental Bali Sanur Resort, it says on the wall there, looking a little bit into the sun. Nice little seating areas here. And a croissant, 50k. Fresh coconut smoothie, 50k also. So here's the main gate entrance to the Intercontinental here. Exquisite, 1 million per person. It's interesting. I'll just take you and show you the lounges here. Lounge at the back of the beach. There's a tapa restaurant just along. We'll just show you the beach area here outside the Intercontinental. So here's your sun lounges, synthetic sun lounges, soft cushion tops. And here's your beach location. The pagoda over in the distance there. And just back on the path now we have Tapa. Very popular restaurant, this particular an evening time. Busy now, but not super busy. Of an evening time, all of these tables and chairs will be fully occupied. Just a very busy restaurant with an inside seating area as well there. Tapa Sanur. Special Bloody Mary. So the menu here. Have live music, live entertainment every evening. The main tapa. The Heaven's Corner Sanur water activities here. Well, people are just getting ready there. There's the pagoda out into the ocean. There's a full view back at the Intercontinental. Okay, just back on the path now, we have the massage centre here. Massage centre number 1. Hello, how are you? There's the massage ladies there. It's usually 100 for the massage, 100 per hour. Unless they've changed the price. Some of the Bali tours and things available here. Just a little desk there. Nobody there at the moment. Oh, he's there. The guy's just down by the side there. Of the Nest Beachside Spa here now. Okay, so the Nest Beachside Spa is one of the premier spas here in Bali. There's some of what's available here. Some customers just coming out now. The main is in the back there. Let's continue walking. Some little seating areas here. Toilet and shower 4,000. Some water sports activities. People just coming through on the bikes here. Here we have, we actually have a tourist information office here. This is new, this. Have Naked Baked. It's like a bakery type place, that. Somebody there. Was busy when I walked past this morning. Avocado lovers and friends. This serves fabulous avocado drinks. Nice seating area outside here at the front. Nice seating area. You want to sit in the aircon inside as well. Just show you to the window if we can see inside. Well, we can't really see because of the reflections. And then here we are, we're at Pantai Semawang Beach. Here, this building here is a place called Stuja Di Pantai. There is a swimming pool on the top. You can see this here is very, very busy with Indonesian. Very popular with Indonesian, this. Never seems to get very popular with Western tourists. I have featured this in a video. Serves good food, this restaurant. A few Indonesians sat outside there as well. Happy hour on the cocktails, 60k. Menu board is just out of the front here. No food and drink from outside. Have the camera to taking the pictures here. Beautiful seating area there. And along the side. Let's just take you and show you this beautiful ocean. Got full sun glare on the ocean. Absolutely looking fabulous today, so let's look at that. Wow. It's so, so beautiful. Someone just sat relaxing in the ocean there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just go down here as well and just give you a look in the other direction. See the fishing boats. Some of the boats out here going for diving, I think. This is only seaweed you can see on the beach there. Some seating here as well on the beach at Stuja Di Pantai. Fabulous. The colour of that ocean. Let's just walk to the end and just show you. So, so beautiful. Wow. That is beautiful. Okay, so just coming back up from the ocean, you can see there's lots of people there, but all Indonesian. Westerners don't seem to know this place exists. Stuja Di Pantai, here's the main entrance. One tourist just at the front here, someone just walking past. Little seating area to the side there. Just coming up the stairs here to the top. Lots of Indonesian again up here. There's a bar counter area. Very, very nice. And then just on the rooftop here we have a swimming pool. Look at that. Ooh la la. Fabulous. Beautiful swimming pool. No diving. It's only 60 centimetres deep. So it's just like a bathing pool. Some seating areas around the side. With ocean views in that direction. The best one is just in this direction. How beautiful is that? Wow. Nice. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My beach stroll here in Sanur, from the Pantai Duyung beach sign through to the Semawang beach sign. So as you saw with the camera in today's video, only actually one resort facility here featured in today's video, the Intercontinental resort. But you did have an absolutely fabulous collection of restaurants, starting with the Duyung Beach area. Had 3 or 4, maybe even 5 places just around that area there, most notably probably La Playa, usually a very, very popular place, that particular of an evening time. And then gradually moving on, we come to the Pier 8, which is connected with the Intercontinental resort. Again, another very busy place during the evening. Wasn't so busy during my visit here in the morning, but usually is very busy in the evening, that place, as is outside the Intercontinental resort itself. And then moving on around the corner, Tapa, that is an absolutely fabulous restaurant, serves great food. Have featured that in a video. I shall have the link in the description for that place. Really good restaurant, great vibes there, and really very, very busy of an evening time. Moving on from there, we had the Nest Beachside Spa, one of the premier spas here in Sanur. Moving on from that, they had the Nate Baked, a new place, Avocado Lovers, and Stuja Di Pantai. Stuja Di Pantai, another restaurant I have featured in a video, serves fabulous food. Never seems to be very popular with Western people, but Indonesians seem to love that place, particularly on the weekends. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.